In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Adobe Photoshop using a 100% legal method. It's simple, straightforward, and works on both PC and Mac. Let's get started. Step 1. First, check the description of this video. You'll find a link there. Click on it, and it will take you directly to the official Adobe Creative Cloud website. Once you're on the site, the first thing you need to do is select your country from the list. After choosing your country, scroll down, and you'll see a list of all available Adobe apps. Since we're downloading Adobe Photoshop, go ahead and click on Photoshop Free Trial. This will take you to a new page where Photoshop is selected by default. Click the Continue button located at the bottom right of the screen. Step 2. On the next page, you'll see the details of your plan. It will show $0 per month. That's because the free trial hasn't ended yet. Just keep in mind, once the trial is over, Adobe will begin charging the regular subscription price. So make a note of that. Now, click Continue. You'll be asked to enter your email address. This is where your Photoshop license will be linked. After typing your email, click Continue again. Next, Adobe will ask you to add a payment method in order to start the free trial. This is required, but you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Enter your billing details, then click Agree and Subscribe. This will begin placing your order and activate your trial. Step 3. Now, for the final step, open a new browser tab and go to the official Adobe website by searching Adobe or typing adobe.com. Once on the site, click on the app icon, usually located on the left side of the page. This will take you to the section where your apps are listed. Log in using the same email address you used to sign up for the trial. After logging in, you'll be brought to your Adobe dashboard, where all your active plans and apps are shown. Find Photoshop and you'll see a download button next to it. Click it to begin downloading. When prompted, choose where you want to save the file on your computer and click Save. And that's it.
If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel.
That's how you can download and install Adobe Photoshop step by step using a fully legal and official method. No cracks, no third-party sites, just Adobe's own free trial system. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tech guides.